Rang utarna or rang chadhana, the art of adding and removing color, has been the work of the Khatris for centuries. Ajrakh is a traditional block printing technique that can be traced back to the Indus Valley civilization, known to have existed between 2500 BC to 1500 BC. In the 17th century, Khatri communities migrated to Kutch, settling on the banks of the Saran river near Dhamadka, which was to become a renowned printing center. The river allowed for washing the cloth as many as 7 times in flowing water through several rounds of dyeing, as well as for irrigation of their indigo crops. Indigo was used along with red, obtained from madder root, and black from fermented iron. Hand-woven cloth was scoured, beaten, and mordanted using natural ingredients such as camel dung and cherry plum. Resist pastes made of clay, lime, and various mordants were printed on the cloth using a wooden block into which motifs were carved. Dyes were then applied and the cloth went through washing, boiling, and printing processes until the final design was reached. The end result of this time-consuming and exacting process was a totally natural cloth, organically embellished, for none to surpass. Ajrakh has emerged from the grasslands, as it were, with pastoralists from northwest Kutch, Rajasthan, and Sindh, Pakistan, with a special affinity for this cloth. Banni Maldharis, the buffalo herders, prefer the Ajrakh cloth of Sindh, where they maintain strong social ties, from birth to marriage until death. Ajrakh accompanies the Sindhi Maldhari of Kutch in celebrating significant rites of passage through their lives. It is worn as a turban, a shawl, a lungi. It is used as a bedsheet or tablecloth, and when worn out, it is recycled as a hammock for babies, cover for a bullock cart, and most commonly used as a backing for patchwork quilts. It is used and reused until threadbare. Geometric Islamic patterns ingeniously printed on both sides once lent the cloth a quality of thrift and a long life of consistent use. The camel dung used in treating the fabric merged with other natural dyes to lend it a unique, lingering smell that the Maldharis will still use to identify a genuine Ajrakh. Once the main clientele, the Maldhari can scarcely afford it now and yearns for the Ajrakh dyed in the sweet waters of a flowing river. Much has changed. Water, cloth, urbanity. You abandoned us for the city buyers, complained the Maldharis to the Khatris. But you began to wear screen-printed substitutes, say the Khatris to the Maldharis. Amidst this quarrel, Ahmedabad trunk has saved a few testimonies of the legacy of this relationship.